Hey up me ducks. Got this field go at today. Let's see what we get from it. This could be good. Right then, I make my first good target. It's about 30, 32, 39. Go get that and have a look. My guess it's probably going to be a ring pull, but let's have a look. Right, it's out guys, as I thought. It's a bloody ring pull. Right, I got another target here. It's a bit jumpy now, but I'm going to dig it, see what it is. I've got all metal mode, it's not giving me any iron signals, so we'll see what it is. It's just here, it is, just here. I think it's this here now. Just a nice piece of lead by the looks of it. Nothing too spectacular. Right guys, what's your actual opinion on this new setup? Because I'm a bit unsure about it, because obviously I am using the Gopro. Now, obviously it's an action camera, and really you're not really doing much action, aren't you, with a metal detector? But yeah, personally I think it might be an upgrade. I'm just testing the waters and see how it is. Like, I know it gives me the option to go hands-free and stuff like that. It makes it a lot more easier for me to dig and record at the same time and just generally chat. Plus I don't have to waste my phone's battery all the time as well. Like, if anything, get anything decent, like, I know it'd probably struggle to get the detail on it up close, so I will still use my phone for that. But in general, I'm just testing things and see if it works or not. At the moment it seems to be doing not too bad, but we'll see. Obviously I can't tell what it really looks like until I get it edited out. So yeah. Oh, bloody iron. So yeah, it's one of them really. Like, so far I don't think I'm having much luck in this field. Like right here, I think I have another ring pull. Could be a ring pull. We'll have a look anyway, it's round about here. So we'll get it out. Give it a nice good old dig up. See what this bit of metal is. And be on our way to the next. Have a look, see where it is. Just about here, so get my hands in and have a look. And I think we actually have a first coin. And I think, ooh, what is this? 2010, so it's, yeah, okay, so that threw me off a bit. It's a 10 pence. You know, I wasn't expecting it to be that colour coming out, but yeah, a modern spendable 10p. Something different. Oh well, we'll fill the all and on to the next. Got another sweet signal here. You know, 50s, 60s. Small again. Could be a bit of lead, could be a coin. We'll do the usual. Take it out and see what it is. Just here. Yeah, as I thought. An Uncle Ed. Good old Uncle Ed. Right, I full well know what them numbers are. That's normally a pound coin. It's a bit of a screamer. My guess is probably an old round pound. Let's dig it up and see what it is. But yeah, my guess is definitely £1 with them numbers. It's not too deep either, so yeah. I'm on some sort of activity field by the looks of it as well. So, you know, right next field over is like an archery and an axe throwing place, so you never know. Right, I'm not too sure what this could be now. It's screaming quite higher now, a lot higher, like 82s. So yeah, in fact I can see it. I can see it just here. I think I can anyway. I think it's a shotgun shell. Oh no, I was right in the first place. That is £1. An old pound coin. And I've absolutely twatted it with my spade. But yeah, I was bang on the money, an old pound coin. So yeah, not too bad at all. I'm about 2 metres away from the £1. Got low numbers again. Could be 5p, could be a 10p, although I know. I think I'll get my knife on this instead, actually. Be digging for bloody ever. And guess what? I was right. Oh, I had to be right with one of them guesses anyway. I bloody guessed quite a few times. But yeah, it's a 5p. So right next door I've got the button fields. And this field, I think I'm just going to call it the penny and pound fields, because I'm finding quite a lot of modern day coins. I'm not complaining about it, it's spendable. Got another iffy one here. I guess, especially with how small that is on the pinpointer, definitely how small it is. It's probably a ring pull, but I'm going to dig it anyway, because if people are dropping coins, there could be a modern day ring, which I'd be laughing. It's the same numbers as gold. Well, I wouldn't know because I haven't found gold yet, but what I've seen anyway. From some other jammy buggers on the YouTube. I'm not that lucky at the moment. I'm hoping I can jinx myself with it, but I've got more chance. Got no chance. Right, 2019, just at the top. Definitely. A pull tab, I think. Somewhere in here anyway.
One eternity later.
Nope, so it's in this one. Let's prick it up and have a look. Yep, it's another 5p. There's definitely a lot of modern coins in this field, definitely. Oh well, on to the next. Right, got another decent signal here. Those 70s, 60s. The usual malarkey. My guess is probably another quid again, probably on its side. So yeah, just about here, so I'll take it out as usual and see what it is. My guess it could be another quid again. So yeah, just here. I think actually now, I think, is that a rod? What is that? I think that is an old bit of a copper pipe. Yeah, it's throwing me off a bit, but yeah, it's a copper pipe or something. Oh well, it's giving me cracking signals. On to the next. Well, best signal of the day so far, one of the iced ones. Tell you what, I'd love this to be a shilling, I really would. It's probably going to be another copper pipe again, but one can only dream. So get it out, have a good old look-see, and crack on. Just here, probably good old Uncle Ed, to be honest with you. Now thinking about it, but we'll see. Now I'm wondering if it's in this here. Move my knife out of the way, get the pinpointer back in it. Yeah, so it is in this clod here. Good old mystery clod. Let's break her up and see what it is. And I see another coin. And it's a penny. It is. The Queen Elizabeth penny. Normal spendable 1p. Tell you what, I think I've actually picked up every penny now from inside here. All I need is a 2p and a £2 coin and I've completed the lot. Within about a metre, yeah, about a metre from the penny just. Got another little screamer. I think I've got it out yet. I've got another coin. It's another. Oh, there you go, I forgot one. A 20p. Well, right here was the penny. Right there is the 20p. Right in the middle, something else. So I'll take it out and see what it is. Just here it is. Shove it in this lump here. And I see, I've been foiled. It is a ring pull. Bloody hell, some fat cows going at it behind me. That's what I like to hear. We have a strange one here. I think we have multiple targets within the same area. So yeah, you'll let curiosity kill the cat and I'll find out what it is. It's just about here. A little clod. Let's see what it is. And it's the usual thing. I've found quite a few of these already, you know. To 5p. Pennies make pounds, people. Many pennies make pounds. Well, I'm just patting down this hole here, getting the clod back in. Lens on my metal detector. Found another decent signal here. An absolute screamer. I'm turning this backlight on now as well. Yeah, just about here. Somewhere here, I'll take it out. Is it in this here? Nope. Bloody hell, where is it? This it? Oh my lord. I thought it was a rock. Jesus Christ, what is that? It's like a part of a tow bar or something. Definitely the biggest thing I've found so far. I know it's surprising. It's a good job it's near the end of the day, because stuff lugging that around with me at the beginning. Well, the day's come to an end. That's all I've got time for. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you're new, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.